You know, it is so nice and beautiful outside.
Right? I love it. It's so warm. It's such a gorgeous day.
Speaking of gorgeous, you know who I haven't seen in a minute? Mac Daddy. Where is Mac Daddy?
There he is.
Well, I guess that's it. I guess it's all over now. I mean, 25 years I've spent with this thing, and I guess it's just done. I mean, 25 fucking years. That's like most of my life that I've spent with this thing. And what is this computer, you might ask? Well, what is this fancy machine, my friends? This is the Macintosh Color Classic. It was a great machine for many, many reasons. Number one, it was the first compact all-in-one desktop Mac to have a built-in color display. Okay? It could display a full range of 256 colors. It was also the first desktop all-in-one to have a built-in microphone. Yeah, you could actually record sounds with it if you wanted to. The other fun fact about this machine was it had a slide-out motherboard. So if you wanted to perform a ROM upgrade, RAM upgrade, or even add a fancy floating point unit, you could just slide the motherboard right out the back and perform that upgrade right there. Easy peasy. Well, as much as I love this machine, it did have its faults. Like, for example, it had a maximum of 10 megabytes of RAM because it only had 2 slots on the motherboard, and they could each only hold a few megs. Not very much. It meant you could really just do word processing, maybe AOL, perhaps printing if you wanted to. Not much else though. The other thing was that it had an optional floating point unit. It wasn't actually soldered onto the motherboard. It was an optional slot in the motherboard to put that on there. It also didn't have a real easy processor upgrade option because it had only one expansion slot, and if you wanted to use, Ethernet, you had to fill that slot. So it meant you had to pick and choose what you wanted to do with this machine. So that's why it was pretty much an underpowered piece of crap. I also don't recommend playing Doom 2 on this machine. It didn't really work out so well when I tried it, but nevertheless, it's still my baby. This is still my special child. Sorry. I was like, what am I doing?
What are you doing?
When I first saw you, my heart went boom, 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 boom. When I first heard you, my brain went yeah, 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 yeah. When I first knew you, I knew that my heart.
Yeah, we had some beautiful memories, didn't we? Yeah, 25 years worth of them. I mean, you were my best friend. Sorry, hold on. Gimo Repairs, this is the Mac Daddy speaking. What can I do for you? Whoa, slow down. Whoa, hold on a second. Okay. I'll be right there. Okay.
Love, love, love. When I first touched you, my brain went.
There he